Hey guys, this is Catherine. I'm going to be unboxing my Gillio leather cover today with you guys. In this box, I have the A5 zip Appunto that they just released on Monday. They announced it on Monday and then they released it on Tuesday. I was able to snatch one. I picked the green color because I really missed my green A5 ring binder. And since I have completely transitioned into using Hobonichi Cousin as my all-in-one planner, I had no use for the A5 size ring planner anymore. But unfortunately, Gillio doesn't have the green color available in the A5 Appunto. So I was really sad about that. And on Tuesday when I saw that they released the A5 zip in green, I was so excited because you guys all know how much I love this zip cover. This is from the Superior Labor. And I love this cover, and I actually bought this because of the pattern on the front, but I was wondering if I would like this cover because I've never had a zip cover before and I didn't know how it would feel when I'm writing on the notebook. And to my surprise, this is actually much better than something that has a strap because the zip portion just kind of falls down. So it's actually really comfortable to write on. So without much further ado, I'm going to unbox this. I haven't seen it yet. I will be doing it with you guys. So the Gillio covers usually come with this pouch, which is really nice. I always store my unused Gillios in the cloth pouch. So let me get rid of this box. And I'm also wearing a green sweater to hopefully match the planner. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here it is. Let me make sure this is in. Okay, so I asked for fine pebble, even fine pebbling all over. I didn't want any variation, and this is perfect because there is no variation. There is a very subtle pebbling, but not too much. I prefer it that way. So this is really beautiful. As you can see, I absolutely love this green color. I was obsessed with my A5 ring binder from Gillio in green, but I was so sad that they don't have that available in the A5 Appunto. But here it is. So this is a zip cover to fit the A5 size notebooks, and it has a gold zipper all around. And I did opt for the bus shipping, so I got this really quickly. As you can see, I ordered this on Tuesday and today's Friday, so I received it within 3 days, and I'm based in the East Coast of United States of America. So that's extremely fast. The zipper is so smooth. Yeah, it's really smooth. When it turns the corner, it doesn't really stop at all. So this is really nice. And the zipper also comes with this leather pull, which is, let me show you. So that's really nice. It just feels very luxurious. So, okay, let me open this. I think I have it upside down actually. Okay, so this is the front. So the zipper comes down. And when I open it, wow, this is gorgeous. Okay, so here you go. I don't know what that is. That doesn't seem normal. I'm a little bothered by this actually. There's a little bit here as well. Okay, so I love this one because they did put in the back pocket in here. So I think that's going to be really useful. In my other cover, I do put stuff on the side, but it doesn't have a back pocket. And I do find that when I'm writing on my notebook, it does kind of like bulk up the paper a little bit, bulk up the notebook a little bit, so I don't really like that, but I'm glad that they added the back pocket. So this is going to be really, really useful, and it also feels really large. So as you can see, this cover is very small, so you can see the difference in size, and I am already having trouble kind of closing it, which I don't really close it because I'm not carrying it anywhere, so I don't really need to close it. But I can barely close this if I were to try closing it. But I think I wouldn't have any problems with the Gillio cover. So let me actually put my Hobonichi inside here so I can show you guys how it fits. So let me put that away. So the way I use my Hobonichi cousin is that I use the notebook like this, and I also slide in a very thin notebook from Hobonichi in the back for just important information that I need to transfer from ear to ear. So I like to just put that on the last, like, I guess right before the back cover, like that, and then slide both of them in on the back. So just like this. Okay, and I'm going to leave the pen in here so I can show you guys kind of how that fits. I think normally I use a much thinner pen. This is the pen I use, so make sure this is closed, and I will be probably doing this because I only use this pen when I'm using my Hobonichi. Well, actually this clip is getting in the way, so maybe I'll do it this way. Actually that's fine. So let me show you guys. So it's not really sitting behind the notebook. The notebook is actually just right next to the pen, so that's really nice. And I wonder if I can just push this out a little bit so that, there we go. Okay, so there's more room for that pen. And now let me try closing it. Wow, that's a lot more room. So you can see that obviously the notebook is right here and the zipper is here, so I'm going to have no trouble closing that. See, so that's what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. The leather is so soft, and I love this green. I love the Gillio green. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And what else was I going to talk about? Okay, so the zip. I know a lot of people were questioning whether that would be comfortable to write on. Like I mentioned before, I was one of those people, but because I had another zip cover, I knew that it wouldn't be a problem for me. So for example, if I were to take that out, do you see how this zip portion is kind of lying completely flat? And when you're writing on it, your hand is mostly on the paper, not on here. But even if you were to get to the edge of the paper, this doesn't really pop up, so you wouldn't really have problems. Whereas if you had the strap, you can't really put it anywhere. Of course you can tuck it, but it's still going to be there. So for me, this is actually much better. Sorry, I thought this was from the cover, so I kind of freaked out for a second, but that's just from the bag, which is fine. So yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. I love this cover, like I mentioned for the 1000th time. And I don't really decorate my front cover, but sometimes I like to just put a few stickers in there, and these are just some of the stickers I'm working on right now. So I'll just put that here, and it actually fits perfectly. Yeah, so that's kind of how I use it, and I'll probably have documents and things that I need to forms I need to fill out, or things I need to keep with me all the time and on the side. And then the back pocket is definitely a big plus, and I'm so happy that Gillio came up with this design. Thank you, Mela, for, you know, creating this, designing this. Thank you to the Gillio team for creating such a beautiful product. And I know they said that on their Facebook Live, they said that it took them, I think, 1.5 years to make sure everything looks right. And I really appreciate that. And this is a perfect product. I really love it. I love the cover. I'm going to say that again. I love this gold zip. Thank you so much for creating that, making it gold. I definitely I prefer gold over silver, so I really appreciate that. This is just amazing. I was so shocked when I saw the new release, because I was like, wait, were you reading my mind? Because I love zip covers. I think I prefer the zip covers over strap covers. So it's just amazing that Gillio came up with this in green too. So I'm so excited, and I'm going to go enjoy this cover and do some planning, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.